Hey, and how you doing? Today I want to do a little review of a Korean brand that I got while I lived in Korea. I actually got this product approximately 1 month or so before we had to pack up and leave Korea, or pack up for our movers to leave Korea, I guess. So I really wanted to try this product really badly, and it's just been sitting on my desk since I unpacked it. So what I ended up getting was this taco mask. It's shaped like a little octopus or squid. It it still has the little packaging on it. I've never used it. It smells like any kind of face cream that you would get at a store. It was 10,800 won. I did look it up today, which is approximately $10. But if you go to their website, I'll tell you the brand in just a second. If you go to their website, it's like $17.50 in US dollars. So this is the Tony Moly brand taco mask. I'm trying to think of how they pronounce their letters in Korea. So let's get started. I need to go get my face down. So I am back and I wet my face. So this actually is a bubble mask. I've never even used a bubble mask. I see that they now have sheet bubble masks. I really wanted to try this. Actually, it was kind of, my son would join me in, but he is out there playing a game. So just get some on. It doesn't smell like anything good. Like, there's no good scent to it. You probably should use a brush to put this on, but I don't have one. So, all right, here we go. And the directions said to obviously keep it away from your eyes. It's already starting to bubble. I don't have like a hair thing. So, and then you leave it on for 3 to 5 minutes, and then you just wash off with warm water. Oops, I got that in my eyebrow. Shouldn't be too bad, right? Alright. Oh, it's starting to bubble. Alright, I'm just gonna go wash my hand real quick. Alright, so while we were back and we're waiting for the 3 to 5 minutes to go by, I pulled up the mask information on my phone so that I can read it to you a little bit. So it's a powerful blend of marine plant extracts, black mud, charcoal, in addition to gentle exfoliation of the mask's bubble effect, which I do feel, and you can kind of see that it's bubbling. It easily extracts pore clogging skin impurities to reveal more clarified complexion. So my skin actually is really sensitive, so I kind of feel like a tingling sensation on my face. I'm hoping it's not burning my skin. It contains taurine to hydrate and firm your skin and pores, tightening them. Dead sea salt to provide smoothing aftercare. Black peat water, which purifies your skin and absorbs the waste and toxins. Contains Rotora mud to absorb excess sebum, and charcoal powder to extract your blackheads, whiteheads, and other skin impurities. So I have like kind of blackheads all over like my nose. So how to apply: you clean your skin. I actually just showered just a little bit ago, but I had to re-dampen my face because it's been a while. And then you apply an adequate amount and spread evenly over your face, being careful to avoid the eye area. After 3 to 5 minutes, then your bubble has formed and you wash it off with warm water. So it's been about 5 minutes because my time says 7.5 minutes. So I'm going to assume that I'm good to go, and I'm going to go wash this off real quick. All right, I'm back. That took what feels like forever because I, of course, didn't put my hair up. Like, come on, who does that? Not me. All right, so that would have made it easier. My skin now feels actually kind of firm. like the tingling. Obviously my face didn't burn. My nose was already red, like ignore that. Yeah, so I actually kind of really like that mask, so I'm hoping that later my son will want to do that with me. He usually enjoys doing stuff like that with me, which is really fun. And even my husband will do stuff like that with me. So I do recommend this. I actually like Tony Moly, like their brand in general. I have like an eyebrow pencil from them and I love it. So I'm kind of sad I'm not in Korea anymore because I didn't get to experience the products as much as I would have liked to, but I do know that Ulta does sell some Tony Moly, and there is also a US site where they ship to the US. I'm not sure if they have a warehouse or whatever. So definitely recommend Tony Moly. They're pretty affordable, especially if you're a Korean viewer. And I'm sure you're already familiar because there are Tony Moly stores everywhere. Like it'll be like a Tony Moly store and Olay, which is a cell phone provider, and another Tony Moly store. Like they're just everywhere. So definitely a great brand, a great affordable brand for you to enjoy. And their products are super cute. I wish I had more products. They're like, you know, you get like a hand lotion, and it's in the shape of a freaking peach. Like, it's really cool. So yeah, I really enjoyed this and I'm really looking forward to trying this again, maybe next week probably, with my son. All right, thank you so much, you guys, for watching. I am so excited to see where this channel takes me. Stay positive and be happy. Bye.